Hey Food for Life family, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got an incredible recipe for you. Afghani Seekh Kabobs made with 10 pounds of boneless lamb. Yes, you heard that right, 10 pounds. This recipe is perfect for a big family gathering, a barbecue, or a special occasion. We will take this flavorful lamb into juicy, spiced kebabs that'll have everyone returning for seconds. Let's dive right in. We will need 10 pounds of boneless lamb, cut into small cubes, 3 onions, 3 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, and 1 cup of oil. First things first, let's talk about the meat. We're using 10 pounds of boneless lamb today, which will give us a lot of kebabs, so this is perfect for a big crowd. Now wash the meat before chopping them into mini cubes. Once your lamb is chopped, add it to a large mixing bowl. Now, when it comes to making Seekh Kabobs, you want the meat to be flavorful and juicy, so we'll add some bold spices and aromatics. Next, let's prep our onions and garlic juice. The onions will add moisture and sweetness to the meat mixture, and they're a crucial part of what makes these kebabs so tender and flavorful. The garlic gives that signature punch of flavor that pairs perfectly with lamb. Peel your onions and chop them into 4 pieces each. Next, peel all the cloves of garlic. Now, throw your onion and garlic into the food processor or blender. I am using a blender. Mix them well together long enough to blend and turn into paste. Add a little water if you need to. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this with delicious recipes, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. Thank you so much for staying tuned and still watching. Now let's get back to the business. Now that you have blended the onions and garlics, use a colander basket or cheesecloth to separate the juice from the mixture. Once you do that, pour the juice of the onion and garlic onto the meat. Left over of the onion, you can use it for another dish or throw it away. Now mix the meat like so with juice. Next, we'll add 2 tablespoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of black pepper. This is where the seasoning starts to come together, and it's important to get the balance right. Remember, we're working with 10 pounds of meat here, so it might seem like a lot of salt and pepper, but trust me, it's just the right amount for that deep flavor. Let the meat absorb all the juice and spices for at least 8 to 10 hours inside the fridge. After 10 hours, we're adding 1 cup of oil. This is going to help bind the mixture together and also give the kebabs a nice, juicy texture. The oil helps keep everything moist while cooking, which is crucial for making sure your kebabs don't dry out on the grill. Now let the meat rest again for another 3 hours period. Here comes the fun part, threading the meat cubes in to the skewers. Thread the meat cubes like so into the skewers, making sure no meat is hanging down from the skewers. I have used about 24 skewers and threaded 3 rounds of meats. Now it's time to cook. If you're electric or gas grilling outside, preheat your grill to medium-high heat. I am using a charcoal grill. The grill will give you that extra smokiness that really brings these kebabs to life. You want a hot surface to get that perfect sear. Place the skewers onto the grill and let them cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until they're nicely browned and fully cooked through. You want a beautiful golden crust on the outside, but the inside should remain juicy and tender. Don't forget to turn them every couple of minutes to ensure they cook evenly on all sides. You'll see that lovely char develop, which adds so much flavor to the kebabs. Look at these kebabs. They're perfectly cooked, nice and brown on the outside, with that beautiful tender inside. The smell alone is enough to make your mouth water. These Afghani Seekh Kabobs are just incredible. Juicy, full of flavor, and perfectly spiced. You can serve them as is, or with naklian, rice, or a fresh salad. And don't forget the mint yogurt sauce or chutney on the side. It adds the perfect finishing touch. Now, let's plate them up. These kebabs are perfect for sharing with family and friends. Just look at that color, that char. These are guaranteed to impress. They're absolutely delicious. The lamb is perfectly tender, the spices are on point, and that smoky flavor from the grill is just unbeatable. This recipe is a surefire winner, and I know your guests will love it. Thanks so much for joining me today on Food for Life, and hope you're inspired to make these Afghani Seekh Kabobs at home for your next gathering. They're packed with flavor and guaranteed to be a crowd favorite. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing recipes just like this. Also, hit that bell icon so you never miss a new video. Until next time, happy cooking and take care.
Like and subscribe.